This tutorial is for giving ED for the stiffener, used for infants to the lower part of their dress or gowns. After cutting the main cloth, we will cut the lining including the stiffener. The stiffener we are going to use is felt cloth. Why? Because it's suitable for infants. It's soft like couch, not itchy to their skin. A lesson I learned on this kind of job and business. Then prepare the lining. Fold the lining at the same time. Easiest way and fastest way to cut. Cut them together to get same measurement. The main cloth is longer 1/2 inch than the lining. Waistline hole with main cloth must be the same measurement. Then cut it. Cut the felt cloth by 1/2 inch so that you don't overdo it after sewing. Join the lining to the stiffener with the machine stitch. By joining them, you need to hold just light and do not stretch the cloth, especially to the bias side. When you are beginners, usually the hands are so heavy, reason why you'll think it won't match. Solutions for the heavy-handed is to stitch the cloth before sewing and pin it to hold. After joining, invert it to get the front side and the finish is clean looking. Pin to hold. Then put the main beaded cloth and pin as well. I made 8 division stitch to look like an umbrella. And with the main cloth, the outcome after sewing. I hope this video will give a value to you, helps you giving more ideas for sewing. I would really appreciate it if you could click the like button to help me grow. And do a comment to let me know where you're from, my friend. Share this to your friends so that they will know and learn too. Thanks for watching.